Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smart and I'm your teacher, and I'll be teaching a different question and answer in this question and answer series by Class Theta. So our today's topic which we'll be discussing is, it's an inspector calls code to Gerald. So we have some codes and we have identified what it does mean. So our first code here is well-bred young man about town. So Act 1, a phrase to describe Gerald. And another quote we have is absolutely first class. So it's an Act 1. Gerald tries to sound posh and upper class. So another we have is expect all the last summers when you never came near me, Sheila. Gerald seems highly shady and especially to Sheila. So another we have here quote, I believe you're right, sir. This Act 1, and Gerald sucks up to the Mr. Berlin to agreeing whatever he says. So we have another quote here, you are respectable citizens and not criminal. So Gerald initially cannot believe that they have done anything wrong. So another quote we have is, now listen darling. So Gerald tries to calm Sheila down by gathering her to listen to him. So another quote we have here is, I don't come into the suicide business. So Gerald is sure that he has done nothing wrong that is anything to do with our Smith's suicide. So another we have here quote is, so for God's sakes don't say anything to the inspector. And this Gerald tries to conceal information from IG, not realizing that he already knows everything. So another quote we have is, woman of the town. Gerald tries to be polite about the fact that he used prostitutes while going out with Sheila. So another quote we have here is, I didn't install here there so that I could make love to her. It wasn't disgusting. So in this Gerald, it's an Act 2. Gerald tries to make what he has been doing behind Sheila's back soundless, like he has been cheating on her. So another quote we have is, I was sorry for her. Gerald felt sorry for the young woman. This is controversial, especially in front of the Berlins. So another quote we have here, she didn't blame me at all. And it's an Act 2. Gerald tries to make himself feel better and take the blame off himself slightly. So the last we have here is, you have no proof it was the same photograph and therefore no proof it was the same girl. So Act 3, Gerald thinks that because he has decided IG wasn't real, none of what they did actually happen. So that's the story. If you still have any other question, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon